So this is what we usually find when we visit a new city, is you get all these great things to do, but you don't know where they're located on the map, right? You don't know if they're miles away from each other. So today we're going to show you a perfect day in Porto, show you great things to do around the city. I am Jordan.
And I'm Erica.
And we're your guides abroad.
We are off. We are starting our morning with a big breakfast. We're heading to Do Norte Cafe.
So the tower is 75 meters tall or 250 feet. You can go up to the very top and get 360-degree views of the city. It is one of the tallest points here in Porto. Very famous, very beautiful. So the tower tour starts with a tour of the church. The church and the tower built in 1763 by an Italian designer and has Baroque architecture. And the tower is important to the city because it's like a famous silhouette to help guide sailors to the river from far away. Okay, here we go. We've already gone a few steps, so we only have 143 left. Going up the main part of the tower right now with the kids. 3, 4. Wish us luck. So this is a great way to take in the city, especially if it's your first day. You get to see all of Porto from here. Okay, we're aligned for the bookstore right now.
And we got a book for the kids in English.
You have fun eating? Little fun? Yeah, all right. Big head nod, big head nod. Erica and I have a full Porto travel guide down in the description below, including a one-page download of this itinerary day so you can print it and head out. We also list some of our favorite tours in Porto and around Porto because there's a lot to do in Porto. You'll have a great time. Like I said, click the description to learn more. And thanks so much for watching.